Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a date night makeup look. We are starting off very rough, very rough. Oh, it's the vacuum. I was like, what the hell is that? Anyways, like I said, we are going to be doing a date night makeup look. Cyrus and I are going on a date. I'm so excited. Cyrus, I don't know. We mentioned this in our mukbang. If you guys haven't seen that, I will link it right here in the cards. But we don't really go on dates. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I thought I would just get ready. Oh, I was gonna say get ready for you guys. I sort of am if you think about it, but I totally meant get ready with you guys. Everything I used will be listed down below for you guys just in case you guys are interested. This is going to be a talk through, but I feel like halfway through, I might cut it and make it a voiceover. I'm not really sure, depends on how much I talk. I'm gonna try not to talk that much, but make sure to grab a snack, grab your makeup brushes, and let's get ready together. So I'm actually going to be starting off with, of course, the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business. Today I'm actually just using the Skin Smoothing one. I'm just gonna tap that right into my skin. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Beige. I'm going to be taking that on my broken Luxie 532, which is the round top blender. I forgot how much I loved this foundation. It just does a really good job at covering everything that I want covered. And I just don't find it being cakey at all or anything. So love this foundation. All right, y'all, I lied. I'm cutting it right now and it's gonna be a voiceover from here on out. Just cause I need to turn up for this date night with my mans. Yeah, like I said, everything will be listed down below for you guys. Okay, so I am going to fast forward through all of this just because it's nothing special. I'm just blending out my foundation. For concealer today, I am going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Light Beige. I absolutely love this thing. A little goes such a long way and the coverage is amazing. I actually plan on going to get a darker shade for my cream contour, but I just wanted to see how I liked the actual concealer itself. Love it. If you guys don't have this, I highly recommend it. Now I'm just blending it out with my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge. This is also a really great sponge. It reminds me a lot of the Beauty Blender. Obviously cheaper. So yeah, I got it from Target.com. Definitely go get it. I just want to say, if you guys hear me gasping for air, it's because I cannot breathe. But you guys know that. Anyway, now I am just cream contouring. Like I said, I am going to go order another Too Faced Born This Way, just in a darker shade. But for now, I'm just using what I love, which is the NYX, what is this, Wonder Stick in the shade Deep. And I'm blending that out with the same Sonia Kashuk blending sponge. As always, I am using my Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade Medium. I swear I'm going to use this thing to the very last drop. I do have to go get a new one because I'm very close to running out, but like I said, I'm going to use it to the very last drop. I'm still obsessed with this powder. As you guys can see, I am just baking under my eyes. And then I'm going to go in and set the rest of my face with, of course, my favorite, my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C5. I actually just ordered a new one. You guys, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm gasping for air so much, but I literally cannot breathe. Anyway, now I'm just going to be bronzing up my face with this e.l.f. bronzer palette with this big fluffy brush from Morphe. I highly recommend this brush. I just love it. Now I am just going to contour with the ColourPop contour powder in Private Party. I'm just going to go in and chisel out my cheekbones as well as my temples and my jawline as well as my nose. Now I am going in with an oldie but a goodie. I feel like I haven't used this in so long. This is the MILANI Luminoso. This is, oh my gosh, I swear this was like the very first blush I've ever had. And I actually just repurchased it and I forgot how much I liked it. So yeah, there you go. Anyways, now I'm just contouring my nose. And now I'm going to move into the eyes. For the eyes, I'm using the KMYNX palette. Obviously, this is the Paradise Collection. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, including my coupon code with them. But as you guys can see, I picked up the shade Sunburst, and I'm just dusting that right into my crease. I believe this is a Morphe M505. I could be wrong, but I'm like 99% sure. It's with the Morphe M505. And as you guys can see, I'm just dusting that back and forth. Next, I am taking the shade Cocoa on literally my favorite brush. I honestly don't even know. It's a Sigma brush. I know that for sure, but I don't know the number. I will try to list it down below for you guys. It may be E25. I don't know. Anyways, I am just taking that shade and I'm focusing that on my outer corner, and then I'm dragging that into my crease as well, blending that right into Sunburst. I do open my eyes when I start blending just so I can see what everything looks like when my eyes are open. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? And then I go in with a clean blending brush just to clean up all of the harsh lines. Next, instead of going in with the concealer, this is actually a, what is it? Is it a liquid highlighter? I totally forget. It will be linked down below for you guys, but it's a highlight shade. I got it from CoverGirl. And honestly, I totally forget the shade number. Like I said, it will be listed down below for you guys. But I'm using this instead of a concealer because I thought that the shimmery shade that I am putting on my lid right here, which is in the shade Pearl, I felt like it was going to stick a little bit better to this highlight versus a concealer. The highlight shade was a little bit darker than the Pearl shade that I am applying right now, but I love the color that it made. Does that make sense? I don't know. But anyways, now I'm adding a little bit more of sunburst in my crease with that brush just because I feel like I blended a lot of it away when I was doing a lot of the blending. And then when I added my lid shade, I feel like that sunburst shade just completely disappeared. So that's me right there going in with it just to define my crease a little bit more. And now I'm just blending everything out just to make everything look so seamless. And oh my goodness, you guys, my eye ad, this whole time I've been saying sunburst. It's actually sunburnt. But anyway, you guys caught my drift. Lashes were applied off camera. They are the KMYNX H01, I believe. Like I said, everything will be linked down below for you guys. But now I am just applying cocoa to my lower lash line, pretty close to my waterline. And then I'm going to blend out cocoa with the shade Sunburnt on a very small brush that I got in a BoxyCharm. Like I said, I love these small brushes for the places that I really do need precision in. All right, now I'm almost done. I am just applying some mascara to my lower lashes as well as my upper lashes. I just want to make sure everything blends together, especially with the fake lashes. I hate when you can see separation. It's just not cute to me. Anyways, to finish off the look, I am using the Pixie Duo. This is in Subtle Sunrise. I'm taking that very pretty gold champagne color as my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight. This is my favorite duo to use. It's just so perfect. Now I'm just blending everything out with my stippling brush. I'm going to set everything really quick, and then I'm going to go in and highlight. This is the loose highlighter from KMYNX. This is in the shade Cheeky Gange. And like I told you guys, I completely underestimated the pigmentation of loose pigmented highlighters, I guess I should say. My camera literally is not doing it any justice. Literally, you guys, it's so pigmented. Definitely check it out. The link will be listed down below for you guys. And then for lips, I'm just going to be outlining my lips with the lip liner from MAC in the shade SOAR. Talk about oldie but a goodie. And then another oldie but a goodie. This is MAC's Velvet Teddy. I definitely need a new one, but I wanted to use it as much as I can. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to set everything one more time. And like I said, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really, oh my gosh, I love it. And Sarah and I went on a date and it was the best thing ever. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.